Good job. Do you want more? Mama will put more?
Okay, okay.
Oh, push it. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Good morning guys! Happy Friday everyone! Ang sarap gumising sa isang malinis na kwarto. Worth it talaga yung paglinis ko kahapon. Kanina pa pala ako nagising pero ngayon lang ako bumakod. Yes, kasi second day ngayon ng annual leave natin yun. So wala tayong work. So nagpatambuligid muna tayo. Ang ating baby girl ay nandito kasi walang childcare. Say morning nak! Paris, ko. Kumakain ng kanyang bread. Say morning! Say good morning, Bo. Hala, taas ay dila. Anyways, guys, meron pala akong ipapakita sa inyo ngayon. Ayan. Have a look! Ayan. Meron tayong pregnancy test dito. And you know why meron tayong ganito, guys? Kasi, the other day, I think that was Tuesday or Wednesday, si Daddy Mike, he was playing with me. Yun ba kasi si Paris na sa childcare, so kami lang dalawa dito sa bahay. Pero nag-work kaming dalawa. But it has been a hectic week for me this week sa trabaho. So sobrang stress talaga ako, guys. Like seriously, yun yung rason kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung Monday and Tuesday kasi sobrang busy sa trabaho at sobrang stressful talaga. And then nung Tuesday, parang nilalaro-laro ako ni Daddy Mike ba. Tapos hindi ako umiimik. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, why are you like that? Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi niya, are you pregnant? Ginanon niya ako kasi daw, nung nagbuntis ako kay Paris, ganun daw ako sa kanya, yung hindi ko siya pinapansin, yung parang wala lang, baliwala ko lang siya ba. Pag nilalaro niya ako, sinasabihan ko siya na, can you stop it? Ginaganyan-ganyan ko siya, guys. Kasi nga, sobrang busy ko nga sa work. So, ngayon, yun yung sabi niya, buntis ka ba? And sobrang natawa ako, guys, nung tinanong niya ako. Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant. Ganun-ganun ako sa kanya. Tapos, yun sabi niya na, no, I don't think you're pregnant kasi hindi ka umiyak. Kasi nung buntis ako kay Paris, guys, sobrang emotional ko noon na sobrang paiyak-iyak ako, ganun. And then, na-remember namin, sobrang tawa naming dalawa. Kasi na-remember namin, nung Monday, sobrang iyak ko sa kanya. Like, I hugged him kasi sobrang na-stress nga ako sa work. And parang na-overwhelm ako ba. So, sobrang iyak ko. Tapos, natawa kami. We looked at each other. Sabi namin, oh my God, paiyak-iyak pala ako nung Monday. Sabi ko nang ganun. Pero, sa isip ko naman, guys, I don't think I'm pregnant kasi bago nga lang yung video na pinakita ko sa inyo na meron akong, tawag ito, sanitary napkin, diba? Kasi dalaga sa atin nyo. Pero, naisip ko rin kasi minsan, kahit na dinadatnan ka, minsan hindi mo alam na buntis ka, ganun. Pero I don't think na I am, guys, ha. Bumili ako nito kahapon para ma-close tong case na to. Kasi si Daddy Mike, feel niya talaga na buntis ako, guys. Like, pag kumakain ako, hinawakan niya yung tiyan ko. Sinasabi niya na, nourish my child. Ginaganon-ganon niya ako. And then, binilhan niya ako ng mga shirts, guys, online. And then, pinakita niya sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, these shirts are for the mother of my children. Sobrang, ewan ko, si Daddy Mike, sayang-saya siya, guys, kasi, ewan ko if he's only teasing me, but, sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh my God, if you're pregnant now, then it means, yung due date daw is July, which is yung month ng birthday ni Daddy Mike. So, very excited siya. Oh my God. Kaya sabi ko, okay, just to close this case, guys. And also, just to let you know, hindi kami nagtatry ni Daddy Mike. But alam niyo naman, minsan baka may nakapuslit. May nakapuslit talaga. So, it's good na i-check natin, guys. Meron ako nito. 3 pala to siya. Yeah, binili ko ng 3 kasi cheaper kasi siya pag 3 kumpara sa isa lang yung bilhin mo. So, binili ko 3. So, i-check natin yan ngayon, guys. And we'll see. para anong tawag dito, dili na magkundinar ang kalag ni Daddy Mike kasi iniisip niya talaga na buntis ako, guys. Kaya ayan. We'll see. Let's all figure out. What are you doing, Paris? What are you watching? What are you watching?
Harry night.
A what?
Harry night dying.
Oh, nighttime?
Look at Daddy.
Oh, is that yummy?
That Texas is the head. The Harry night.
Sure. Is that Marvel?
There.
Buhok na ako eh.
The kiss with me.
Yes. Aalis yata kami mamaya, guys. Maglalakad-lakad kami papuntang park. Kasi tingnan nyo ang araw sa labas. It's very sunny, guys. I think it is warm today. 25 something. So, pasyal-pasyal kami ni Paris mamaya kasi yung daddy niya ay nagwo-work. So, this is what it looks like, guys. Ayan. Open natin. Ting-ting-ting. Clear blue. Ayan. Ito rin pala yung ginamit ko, guys, nung,
I eat it.
what is it, anak?
I eat it.
Eat it! Good job. Ito rin pala yung ginamit ko nung nag-check ako for Paris's, guys, kung buntis ako kay Paris. Pero, not the exact one. Yung binili ko is yung mas mamahalin dito. Yung nagsasabi talaga kung ilang weeks. Ito is nagsasabi lamang kung pregnant ka or hindi. Ayan. Kasi parang ano lang, negative, positive lang, ganyan. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go to the toilet now, guys. May kausap pala si Daddy Mike. Pakita natin sa
when it comes to social issues. What is it? Shouldn't it? Wait, hold on one sec. What did you say?
I haven't even tried it yet, but...
Mel's...
O, diba guys, diba sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang excited talaga yan si Daddy Mike, guys. If ever negative to siya, guys, kasi I really think na negative to siya. Kasi, again, we are not trying. Yeah, hindi ako madi-disappoint or anything. If ever positive, of course, tatanggapin natin ng buong puso talaga. We'll see. Si Daddy Mike talaga, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang excited talaga. Anyways, check muna natin.
Come here, Daddy.
No, I'm happy.
Be like...
I'm happy.
We'll figure out together. Baba, we'll figure out together.
Have you looked at it?
No.
What do we see if they're pregnant versus...
It's plus if it's pregnant.
It's what?
It's plus if it's pregnant.
Come with Daddy and Mom?
Come here na.
No.
Oh, push it.
I'm upset.
Don't be upset, Daddy.
I'm upset with that.
Huh?
Paris, no brother, no sister.
Look, baby.
No, baby.
No baby. Only Paris.
Paris only.
No.
Yes.
No?
I want it.
You don't want it?
I'm big down.
Do you have a brother or sister?
Do you have brother or sister?
No.
Do you have mommy?
It's now 12, guys, and lalabas kami ni Paris Nicole. Tignan nyo. Naka-outfit si lola nyo. Oh. Lumabas ako, naghang ako ng clothes sa labas. And very warm siya, guys. Kaya, tingnan nyo. Naka-dress si lola, oh, nakbe. Show your dress, nakbe. Uy, kita man puso da. Ang puso di, nak. Hi, Paris. Do you want to put your sunscreen now? Okay. Put the sunscreen on.
Take off.
Hindi mama will open. There you go.
Take off.
So, ito yung pa-outfit natin for today, guys. Ayan. So, naka-pink tayo na singlet. And tapos naka-pekpek shorts tayo kasi, alam nyo na, 25 degrees, what is? And then naka-sneakers lang tayo guys ng white. O, diba? Dito tayo nagpapakita kasi pag dito sa mirror na to, parang, ayan o, dumidilim. So, hindi nyo makikita ng mabuti. Ah, ayan o, okay na. Kay, anak! Anak! What are you doing? Ayan, tapos manghihiram tayo ng ano kay Daddy Mike. Yung cup niya kasi sobrang mainit, guys. Ito yung hihiramin ko. Kasi alam nyo na, nag-beauty derm tayo, guys. Paano na lang ang ating skin. Let's go, anak! Umalis na, oh. Alis na kami ni Paris. I-change lang natin yung shoes niya kasi pupunta kami ng park and yung suot niya ngayon ay naka-ballet. Naka-ballet shoes. Mamay, ito yung suot, be. Be, give me the other one, nak, be. The other white one. Change natin dito, oh. So, para makapaglaro. That one, honey. Good girl. Come here, be. Put the shoes on.
Ma.
Yes, Paris. Eating sugar.
In the canoe.
Eating what?
Eating canoe.
Kano? What's kano na?
Eating canoe.
What's kano na?
Eating canoe. Teeny.
Once lang to nasuot ni Paris na dress, guys ba? Kasi nung binili ko to, naging cold na yung weather. Tapos ngayon, start na warming the weather na nakba. Broken na yung shoes na. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes!
A baby. So many baby.
So many baby. Now, we'll put sunscreen. Ayan, meron tayong sunscreen, guys. Kasi sobrang strong ng sun nila dito sa Australia. Put it on your skin.
No.
Hala, ayaw. Ang monster will put it on na. Feels better. Put on your arms. On the face. And then you can put this one there. Wow! It matches her outfit, guys. Tingnan nyo. Whee! Have a look there. Daddy, have a look at Paris, Daddy.
I love that hat, Paris. But you need to change your shoes.
Yeah, I did.
Have a look. Show me your shoes. Yay!
Yay! Paris is ready.
Okay. I'm ready, Mommy.
Are you ready, Paris? Where is Paris going?
I'm playing boo boo.
Where are you going?
Park.
You're going to the park. Good girl.
Okay, go Paris.
Good job, Paris.
Okay, go Paris. Ah!
Bili na kami ng makakain, guys. Kasi I'm hungry. What's the gawin? Mama has to order. Do you want to come inside? I don't want to leave you outside now. Come, go with Mama quickly. Come on, because they're going to close soon now. Alright na.
No.
Come. Okay, stay here, okay?
So, Mommy.
Did Paris cry?
Because that's Mama.
You didn't want to go in with Mommy.
No.
Nanguha kami ng kalamansi doon, guys. So, show this one. Show the kalamansi.
It is orange.
Yeah. Kinuha namin sa ano, doon sa... Uy.
It's warm.
There's a worm in there.
Yes, you have.
Can you smell it?
Ooh,
Ooh.
the worms. That's warm, Mama.
Yes.
That's warm.
There's worm.
My leg is warm.
Mama ordered croissant for you. Toasted with butter. Ooh,
No.
okay. Okay.
I could go apart.
Oh, we'll go to the park after here. No? Dito na order namin, guys. What is that na? What is that? Ice cream. Mama got the straw. Wow. Try. Wow, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Wala na siya tayo mag-thumbs up, eh. Thumbs up! Okay, you wanna go to the park now?
What's that?
What's that?
But
Okay, let's go to the park now.
let's
Here's the park! Ang ating baby girl ay super excited na.
no rain.
There's no rain!
No.
Yay! Hindi ako makapag-vlog guys ng mabuti kasi tingnan nyo, sobrang mahangin. Baka hindi nyo marinig ang boses. Hala, sobrang green dito. Oh, spring na talaga na. There's lots of kids, baby girl. Here, Paris.
The big and plus to go down. Like that. Down.
1, 2, 3. You can go to the slide. 3. Wow! Yay! Where are you going? Slide down? Are you a spider?
No, I'm Paris. Just Paris. Just Paris. It's Paris. It's my Paris.
Are you a spider?
No, I'm Paris.
Mommy will catch Paris. So guys, kakawin lang namin ngayon lang talaga kami nakapasok dito sa bahay. And ito yung pinakita ni Daddy Mike guys for Paris too. May surprise na naman tayo for Paris. Come here, anak. Daddy will open it. What's in here? Come, sit down here. Oh, okay. Where's that? Where's that? What's in here, nak? Fish. Go, have a look. Tingnan natin. Wow!
Paris?
Wow!
That's the shops.
Daddy bought it from the shops. What do you say to Daddy?
Fan is fun.
What do you say to Daddy?
Fan the gissue.
What do you,
Fan the gissue.
what do you say to Daddy?
I found the gissue.
Do you say thank you?
I found the girl. Fan is me.
That's for Paris.
I found the gissue.
Wow!
Happy.
Nakita kasi namin ito sa YouTube, guys. Pag nanonood kami ng mga Blippi or anong tawag dito? Peppa Pig. Yung mga ads lumalabas na ganito. Ayan, fish tank. Ayan. Tapos ilalagay mo yung
Yeah.
fish, tapos yung fish ay naglalangoy-langoy.
People.
Lil Dippers.
That's for Paris.
Ayan.
Papa.
Are you happy?
Yes, that's so happy.
Stop.
Yeah, push down that.
This is Daddy's for, I think this is Daddy's chili.
May isa ding natanggap si Daddy Mike.
Wow.
Wow!
People.
Can you turn it on for Paris, Mummy?
Catch it.
Catch it.
We'll catch the fish. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ito rin yung dumating for Daddy Mike. Chilies.
Apparently it's like really nice, like on anything like corn chips.
Yeah. Open it. Oh,
Press open it. Press
Smell it?
this open it.
mm.
Press it to help.
Paris, help. Careful because this is knife, na. Dangerous. Uy.
Okay, get the fish out, Mummy.
Oh!
Ano ba na?
Nilagyan ko na ng tubig, guys, yung
What, Daddy, do it?
aquarium niya. No, Paris, do it, Daddy.
Daddy, do it.
You scared? Okay, Daddy will do it.
Come,
Babe?
come, come.
Come here, close. it's so cool.
This is funny.
Hala, maybe I should put more water, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hala, it looks like real na.
It is real.
Eagle.
Is that wiggle? Is that your fishy?
Get some more water, Mummy. Yeah, I'll get some.
Wow.
More.
Wow. Daddy, put more water.
It's pretty water bottles.
Hala, parang totoo talaga. Where's the feeding bottle, Daddy? Try it. Wow.
Pretty rock.
What's the name of your fish, honey?
Paris, look.
Huh?
This me, pen try.
Oh, Paris, try. Oh. See if...
Give to the fish.
Here, just put here outside.
Yuck. What's wrong with you?
There he goes.
Wow.
He's eating.
Hala,
What's wiggle?
wiggle.
Open.
Say, come on, fish, eat.
Come on, please eat.
Wow, hala, it's so cool.
It's a motor.
Yeah, don't put in the water. Naka, diniran ako. Come, put it here. So the fish will follow. There you go. Wow. Good job, Paris.
Oh, it's wiggle in real. That's a fish. Get it.
Is it a naughty fish? Do you want to say thank you to Daddy for buying it for you?
Yeah, big daddy, goodbye.
Say thank you, Daddy.
So goodbye, friend.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Can we go feet?
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Get it. Hands.
Take
Get
some.
it, hands.
Meron pala akong natanggap, guys. Ayan, oh. Dalawa. I-unbox natin.
I bought Paris.
My daddy,
Ah, I know what it is.
Every single TV on little.
Ooh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Hala, sobrang cute nito. Ito yung hair clip. Sobrang tagal ko na ito binili, guys. Ngayon lang dumating. Wow! Yung parang ano lang, Versace na inspired ba? Ang ating baby girl ay very noisy sa kanyang
Fish.
laruan. Ayan! Hala, it looks very nice. Oh.
Like she got it.
Very cheap lang to, guys. Ganito siya tingnan sa buhok, guys, oh. Hala, super cute ba? I might buy more. Hala, sobrang cute niya, guys. And then we have another one here. Ang laman ito ay, sabi nakalagay shorts daw. Ah,
Yeah, this will be.
ito pala.
This will be like.
Mommy.
Yung parang cycling. Hala, small, pero parang ang laki niya.
Use it for fried garlic.
Ayan, guys, oh. Yung pang ano lang ba, parang cycling lang, ganyan. Tapos, i-pair mo ng anything.
Garlic tastes really nice. Like, it's very nice.
Ayan.
Sort of chips or
I'll
whatever.
give it a try later, guys. Laging get it. What's wrong? Get the fish? Don't get the fish because the fish is swimming.
Oh, yeah? Can't be fucked. Oh, it's up there.
Ah,
That's funny.
there you go. Get the fish.
Yeah?
Wow.
Did you do disbursements, did you?
Put it down there in the water. Ah, you did it. Ah, wala gihan na siya nagkurog-kurog.
That's funny.
Honey,
What's the name of the fish na?
It's maker.
Huh? Unicorn fish.
She's funny.
That's so fun. Hi guys! Malapit na siyang mag 5 o'clock. Nandito ako sa bed kasi gusto kong matulog. Ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko guys. Grabe. Parang nahihilo ako ba? Ang ating baby girl naman, ayaw akong patulogin. Ayan, oh, palagi niya sinasabi, Mami, wake up! Wake up! Kaya hindi ako makatulog. Pero dito lang ako, nagligid-ligid lang ako dito sa bed ba. And then, I feel like I want soup guys, beef soup. Kaya nag-order ako sa Uber Eats ng beef soup. Magagalit na naman si Daddy Mike sa akin ito kasi hindi na naman ako kain ng dinner kasi late na ako nag-order sa Uber Eats. Anyways guys, alam nga naman, I feel like having a soup kaya anak. Shh. Shh.
You really are.
Now, 8 o'clock ng gabi and tingnan nyo ang ating hair, oh. Bed hair talaga, ganun. Nag-relax-relax pala kami ni Daddy Mike and Paris sa bed. Actually, si Daddy Mike ay nandun pa, guys. Baby girl natin ay nandito, oh. May kinakain siya. Hello, Nak. Hello, Nak. I-share ko pala yung ating positive quote of the day, guys. So, this is it. So, what it says is, my thoughts are my reality. So, I think up a bright new day. There you go. Ayan. Anyway, guys, it's a very special day kasi today ay na-hit natin yung 20K subscribers. Maraming salamat talaga, guys. Hindi ko talaga inasahan na darating tayo dito. I'm very grateful sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe. Sana na-i-enjoy yung mga vlogs natin, guys. I try my hardest and my best talaga para entertaining yung ating mga videos. And kanina pala hindi ko napansin na na-reach natin yung 20K, guys. Isa sa ating lovely subscribers, Miss Joanne Ambe, siya yung nag-comment, sabi niya, congratulations kasi 20K na. Kasi hindi ko inopen yung ating, tawag dito, yung ating YouTube account kanina. So, yung comment lang ni Joanne Ambe, yung talagang nag-pop up sa aking phone, sabi congratulations 20K na. And yeah, agad-agad ko talagang chinek yung ating account and yung aking heart ay nagbuto-buto talaga nung nakita ko yung 20,000, guys. It's seriously, it is massive. It's such a milestone. Yeah, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Pero maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. So, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Magsha-shoutout lang tayo, guys, as always. Shoutout to Arlene De Torres. Shoutout to Chari Salazar, Alexa and Eileen Sugano in Iloilo. Salazar and Duaris family ng Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shoutout to Maria Luz Florimonte. Shout out daw to Cathy Liberania and family dito sa Australia. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Mad Brat, Vicky Inot, and also sa kanyang daughter na si Sinel Kate Lopo. Shout out to Mary Vic Valcorza, Edeline Manosa, Cherry May Ongayo, Beth Cinco, Gemaline Tato, Marlene De Malanta, Patricia Mondoyo, Carlvin Borinaga, Mercedita Oypala, Rosana Hidalgo, Sharon Ando, Teresa Otik, Joanne Owano, Norberta Nono, Teresa Villar, Annabelle Sarino, Jonah Reese. Shout out to Anita Valdez, Angie Bihino, and Presi Kunsad.
May I want more?
You want more? Oh, wow! Good girl, honey!
I can drink it.
Good job! Do you want more? Mama will put more?
Okay.
Okay. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family para lumaki ang ating bahay. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Cook for me.
bye!